I usually make these thumbnails in Canva under 5 minutes, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can also make professional and catchy YouTube thumbnails really fast in Canva. Let's get started. By the way, if you are seeing this video for the first time, my name is Reed and you're welcome to Grow with Reed. On this channel, I help small creators create smarter and grow faster on YouTube. So if this is something you want for your channel, then hit the subscribe button and like this video so this video can get to more amazing creators just like you. Now let's jump right in. So this is the Canva interface on my PC. All you have to do is open your browser and then go to canva.com, or if you're using your mobile phone, simply download the Canva mobile app. If you come down, you can see that I have my recent projects right here. So I'm just going to go ahead to show you the secret that I use to design my YouTube thumbnails in under 5 minutes. So the number one secret that I use is that I don't design my YouTube thumbnails from scratch. Yes, you heard that, and I'm going to show you how, and I'm also going to share with you some of the reasons why you don't have to design your YouTube thumbnails from scratch. So just keep watching. But before that, if you come here and you hover on this one, you'll see that we have 17 different thumbnails in this project. We have 23 thumbnails in this project, 12 here, and then 4 here. Let's come here. Let's click on this one, and I'm going to show you something. Even before we go ahead, I have a free bonus tip for you. Now, if you look at this thumbnail right here, that is a thumbnail for this particular video I am creating. So as you can see, as at the time I am creating this video, I have already made the thumbnail for it. So you don't have to create your video before you are looking for a thumbnail. You are eager to post, so you just go and make any thumbnail at all. Spend time when you think of making a video, look for the title, look for the description, and design your thumbnail and put everything down before you even press record. So this is one important tip you need to start doing right now. And by the way, if you are enjoying this video so far, give it a like and consider subscribing for more videos like this in the future. Let's continue. So like I said earlier, I don't design my YouTube thumbnails from scratch. So if you come here, you will see that I have a lot of thumbnails right here. So let's say I am making a new thumbnail for a new video, and let's say that I want to make a thumbnail that looks like this. All I have to do is come here and click on the duplicate page right here. As you can see, it has made a copy of it. Then I'll select one. I'll just come here, I'll change the image if I need to, then I'll change the text to suit the new video. The importance of this is that, one, it is going to save you a whole lot of time. Now, instead of spending 20, 30 minutes or even more, you can spend even less than 5 minutes in creating your thumbnails, because all you have to do is change the image and then change the text. Another important reason is that it is going to help you to maintain a consistent thumbnail style. You're going to have a consistent branding on your page. If you look at most of these big creators out there, if you go to their channel, you will see that their branding is consistent. Their colors, their backgrounds, their text, everything. So if you come here, you see that this particular font style is Anton. As you can see, if you come, this one is what? Montserrat. If you look at all my thumbnails, I usually use Anton and Montserrat. Okay, so you need to have a consistent branding. Sooner or later, the more you grow, viewers are even going to see your thumbnail even without looking at the title. They know this video is coming from you and they'll just click to watch the video. So you are not just making thumbnails, but you are building a solid brand. Alright, so let's go ahead and edit this particular one. Now I'm also going to show you some tips, so just make sure you keep watching. So let's say that I'm going to change this particular image to a different one. Let's come to uploads. I'm going to show you something, so just keep watching. I'm going to look for the new image I want to use. Okay, let's say I want to use this image. Now see something. All I have to do is I'll just drag it like this on top of the old image, like this. Now what this will do is that it will make the same adjustment on the old image affect this new image, as you can see. So you're going to have the same adjustment throughout your thumbnails. I hope you understand. As you can see, the zoom levels, the adjustment, everything that was on the old image is going to affect the new image. If you are using your mobile phone, all you have to do is select the image, come down and you will find replace. Click on replace, it will open your gallery, then you select the new image you want to use. Alright, so let's bring it somewhere here. And then I'm going to change the text. So let's select the text. I'm going to change the text. Let's say this new video or this new thumbnail is about getting more views. Let's say get. Alright, so this is cool. And let's say we're going to change this image. So let's say I want to use this particular one. I'll just copy this image. I'll select this image. Since this image is about views, you get it. So then I'll come to more, then I'll click on copy. Then I'll come back. I'll just click anywhere, then I'll click on more, then click on paste. Alright, so let's delete this one, and then we're going to bring this one right here. Okay, I want the arrow to come on top of it. So let's click on more. I'll come to layer and I'll send backward. Okay, this is cool. Then let's change this text. Let's say, alright, and then I'm going to delete this one. So as you saw in the tutorial, I don't think I spent up to 5 minutes in making that thumbnail. Once you learn how to make professional YouTube thumbnails from scratch, the next time you want to make another thumbnail, all you have to do is duplicate it and edit it. Now, talking about designing from scratch, I have a full breakdown on how to design professional and catchy YouTube thumbnails that actually get clicks and views, including how to enhance your thumbnail images, how to make your text on your thumbnail stand out, and 6 important tips to make you faster and level up your thumbnail designs. I'm going to leave the video link in the description box. If you found value in this video, then give it a like, drop a comment down below, feel free to ask any questions if you have any concerns, and consider subscribing for more videos like this in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.